Hey folks, Anthony Speciale here with Big Energy Profits. I want to just run over a quick monthly review here of some of the intraday opportunities that our subscribers had the ability to take advantage of for the month of January 2021. So while we saw a rally in the beginning of the month at the start of the year, and the better part of the second half of the month, we really saw this area of tight congestion in the energy sector. But with that, there were still some opportunities that were definitely worth noting, and I want to certainly take a moment and share them with you. So this first opportunity here was January 4th, 2021. This is a live screen share opportunity that my subscribers had the ability to follow through on and take this beautiful intraday short position for 75 cents, paying $7,500 on 10 contracts or $750 on a single contract, basically depending very much so on your risk reward tolerance. Now, position sizing is always unique to each trader, and that's okay. It doesn't matter where you're at. When I started with one contract. In fact, I started with micro contracts. And before I was able to afford that, I started trading futures options because I could get into them for even less expensive. So it was a matter of just proving the theory and then, of course, scaling into it. So this was a great opportunity for a quick $7,500 on a intraday basis. This was another daily trade idea that produced for January 4th, producing another $1,000 opportunity. And this was just basically using 3 contracts. Now, this makes it really simple. So the daily and weekly trade ideas are really designed with 3 targets. Now, you can move your stop along as price advances through the targets, or you could do what I would recommend and set up, 3 separate contracts to be executed at 3 separate standpoints. And this really paid very nicely on an intraday trade for a quick $1,050 actually, $1,050. So this was really another nice move. January 5th, the next day, same thing. Daily trade idea manifested really well. All 3 targets were acquired. Another $2,400 real quick and easy. You could see this transpired over just literally an hour, a couple hours in a period of time. It didn't take long, and it typically doesn't when you're intraday trading oil. Now, the reason I trade the energy sector is because when it moves, it typically moves aggressively, and that's what I like. I like that volatility. And listen, there are periods of time where it congests, and when it does, I know to stay to the sidelines, and that's okay too. That's part of being a disciplined investor. So this is the weekly trade idea for January 4th to January 8th. Paid a very rewarding $4,420. I mean, this really, really cleaned up nicely. We had 2 quick targets that got hit relatively fast, and then we closed out the third target, the third position, which never hit the third target. So that's okay. But again, $4,400 on 3 contracts over the course of 1 week. I mean, that's a really, really rewarding week's pay. January 12th, another daily trade idea had manifested for our subscribers. I mean, things picked up a little bit. Target 1, target 2, target 3, we ended up closing out at the end of the session because that was really the ideal time to do so as the market continued to move along in the direction it was moving. But another $1,280 inside of a day. I mean, guys, we are talking about significant money here, and this is only leveraging 3 contracts. January 15th, here we go. Another intraday daily trade idea opportunity. Short position clearly. All 3 targets hit. Short at 53.35, target 1 at 52.85, target 2 at 52.55, and target 3 at 51.95. You could see literally over a couple hours worth of period of time, all 3 targets were hit with just using 3 contracts. Could have paid you a very rewarding $2,700. Moving on to January 19th, another daily trade idea that worked out beautifully for us. So there was a little bit of congestion. You can see clearly as this day, transpired. We saw that target 1 got acquired, market pulled back down, market shot back up, closed out, had filled our target number 2, then it shot back down again, and then it shot back up at target 2, and then we would have typically closed this out at the end of the session, which is 1400 Eastern Standard Time. So we basically locked in the second and third contract at target number 2. No big deal. Worked out great. 1080. in literally a few hours time. Guys, these are the simplicity of following along with the data that I am providing my subscribers. You could see, listen, is it every single day? No, but there is a plethora of opportunities for you to take advantage when the market presents them. So this here is another live screen share. So this is something that I've added to the service as the services continue to evolve. Every day, my subscriber base gets the opportunity to click a GoToWebinar, GoToMeeting link, and they get to see my computer screen. And throughout the day, during the sessions that I'm trading, or at least monitoring, I will continue to update it for them. I update the current supply and demand. I update them on entries that meet my criteria. And of course, this gives them the opportunity to take advantage of it. Now, this trade did not hit the targeted zone. But with that being said, it got stopped out with still $3,300 worth of profit. Now, guys, if you'd like to learn more about what we do here at Big Energy Profits and how we are really coming full circle to take advantage of the energy sector, I encourage you to click the link below this video. Check out my training webinar. We'd love to have you as part of the family. And with that, I hope you're doing well, staying well, of course, healthy. God bless you all, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.